This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, August 19th. It was a close call aboard Carnival Valor after the ship made a sudden maneuver while sailing up the Mississippi River early Monday morning. Passengers tell our tip line that the ship was approaching New Orleans when the captain made a hard turn to avoid a cargo vessel that had reportedly lost power. Now, a video posted on social media by Michael Bell shows water pouring from the pool across the decks as Carnival Valor briefly listed. AIS tracking data reviewed by Cruise News Today shows Valor slowing from about 10 knots to 8 knots while changing course abruptly. Carnival says the ship continued operating normally after the incident and medical assistance was provided to guests who requested it. Valor arrived in New Orleans as scheduled and departed on its next Western Caribbean cruise the next afternoon. And Virgin Voyages says it just recorded the biggest revenue day in this company's history. Bookings opened for Valiant Lady's first Northern Europe season in 2028, and Virgin says the initial inventory sold out within hours. Those cruises accounted for more than half of the company's revenue for that day. Virgin says August bookings had been running about 20% ahead of last year, and after the new cruises went on sale, that jumped more than 45%. The company did not disclose how much revenue it actually generated. And MSC is expanding its coral restoration efforts in the Bahamas, even as warmer ocean temperatures threaten reefs across the region. Now, the group recently planted 32 fragments of critically endangered elkhorn coral near Browns Key. That's bringing its total to 285 now. But with the marine heat wave underway, scientists are holding off on planting more and keeping the remaining coral in underwater nurseries. The work will resume once temperatures cool down. Cool effort there. And cruise stocks were down Tuesday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 27.28. Royal down a half, 300.11. Norwegian down 3%, 17.62. And Viking down 1.6, 98.30. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net, and have yourself a great Wednesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.